Let's look at surveys and how to use them for the JSASSP. Why use surveys? One reason is that they give everyone involved in the school an opportunity to provide feedback for the assessment. During the assessment process, it's possible to speak to and observe only a limited number of people, but surveys give everyone the chance to be heard. The JSASSP includes surveys from families, students, and teachers. These surveys were created for assessors who were scoring all 10 building blocks. Your team may decide to add, eliminate, or revise some of these questions. However, you can use the surveys as you find them in your handbook. The responses may provide you with rich, unexpected data. The JSASSP surveys were designed for SurveyMonkey because of its ease of use, plus the ability to filter the data, a concept that will be explained in part 2 of these lessons. But we are not making a recommendation on behalf of any particular platform. Here are 2 websites that might help you choose which platform you will use. When you post your survey, it's a good idea to add the logo of the school. You can probably copy it from one of the school's materials and then paste it onto the online survey. It will give the survey a more authentic, professional appearance. Then, write a short explanation for the survey. You can use the one that we've included in our samples. Start with demographics. Our surveys ask questions about grades and years at the synagogue. For the family survey, we ask about which grades their children are in and how long they have been members of the synagogue. The teacher survey asks which grades the teacher teaches and how long they have been teaching at the religious school. And the student survey asks which grade the student is in. Notice that the boxes for question 1 are square. On this tool, it means that parents may check more than one box, in case they have more than one child attending the school. Round circles, on the other hand, signify that only one item may be checked. This varies by online tool. Use a 4-point scale. Instead of asking simple yes or no questions, follow the format in the surveys, which asks for perceptions on a 4-point scale. We ask questions about the extent to which people agree or disagree. You can use other words, such as how often, or simply 4, 3, 2, 1, with 4 representing the top score, such as very satisfied, and 1 indicating the bottom score, such as very dissatisfied. Of course, it's important to get the greatest response rate possible to increase the validity of the results. Here are some strategies that might help. Send links to the family survey via email. Embed links to the survey in the school's website. Send reminders. Give people a due date by which to respond. Ask the rabbi to announce the need to respond from the pulpit. To the extent possible, collect responses from students on computers at the school. Some students may even be able to respond on their cell phones and have computers available in the office for parents and ask them to take a moment to respond when they stop into the synagogue.